All right, guys, welcome back. No, I have not made a video in a long time, and I thought I'd make it today. Okay, now I was going to make a video last week before last, 2 weeks ago. I was going to make this video that I'm talking about, and then I said I was going to make one yesterday. I told myself I was going to make one on break yesterday, and I didn't make it. And it was for this exact same topic. I kind of wish I would have just followed suit and went on and make my video, but I was looking at the stock market and some other stuff, so I didn't have time to make the video. Let me turn some air on. I'm not going to take my jacket off. Now, I was going to make a video stating that I feel like after I was looking at everything, the crypto market's going to crash, guys. Okay? I don't care what no one tells you. I've been wanting to make this video for like 4 weeks now. Okay? The crypto market's gonna crash. It's just my opinion. It's not financial advice. But I feel like it's about to crash, and it's gonna crash hard. Because for one, guys, let me put this up here. For one, no, this ain't gonna work. The crypto market is not the same like it used to be, okay? It's not like it used to be. Ever since crypto went to the stock market, this got involved with the stock market, and they got these ETFs. For me, personally, I think having an ETF, crypto, Bitcoin, XRP, I think that's the worst thing that could have ever happened. Granted that it did help Bitcoin run up, but I think just that good part. Let me turn this down. I think just the good part, it ran up and everybody made some money. I think that was just temporary. I think that was a temporary happiness for the crypto market. Okay, that things start kind of running up. But now that feeling has kind of cooled off, and now people are thinking, okay, well, when there's a ETF for XRP, it's going to run and go to the moon. You keep hearing all this stuff, and you can't believe everything you say. And people say something about they say XRP is going to go to $10,000. And it's just gonna do all these numbers. It's just gonna wake up people will say once it flips the switch, it's gonna just take off. Like you're gonna wake up and it's gonna be there. Guys, let me tell you, if you follow the stock market and you follow the crypto market, you cannot believe that. Okay, there is no way. After I done went through and looked at some stuff, there's no way XRP is going to get to $10,000 within the next 5 years. Okay? Or maybe not even 10. You'd be lucky to see $20. Okay? Because think about this. People are bragging about Bitcoin and this is going to be $1 million. They're already putting $1 million out there. Think about this. Look at the Bitcoin chart and ask yourself, how long did it take for Bitcoin to get from $100 to the price it is now? How many years has it been? Think about that. Okay? Now, do you think XRP is going to happen sooner than that? There's no way. How long did it take Bitcoin go from $1 or $5 to $20? I mean, guys, you gotta look at the crypto market. You gotta look at the Bitcoin history and see how long it took to get from A to B. Okay, XRP is not going to just blow up overnight. Okay, but anyway, that's besides the point. The crypto market is going to crash. The fun is over. I'm not saying it's completely over, but it's going to reset. It's just what I feel. It's going to reset. Bitcoin's going to go below 100,000. Okay? It's getting really, really close. Now, it is approaching the weekend. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. You are going to see, now that this big dip happened, you're going to have people on here on social media saying, oh, now it's time to buy the dip. It's time to buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, right? Because they want to push it back up. That's their whole main goal, is to push it back up. And it's going to go up. The weekend, usually crypto starts to make a little rally, and then it cools off on Sunday, and then on Monday, it may go sideways or barcode and then start coming down, and then it starts all over again. Like the cycle just is like a cycle that you see all the time. But the crypto market is going to crash, and it's going to crash hard. It's not meant to scare anyone. Let me get this out the way. It's not meant to scare anyone, but for me, it's like the perfect time to reset. Like, if you miss the bandwagon the first time, when this major crash happened, just my opinion, that'll be the time that I'll grab a whole bunch of stuff, okay? And then hold on to it, because crypto is it's not like you get rich overnight. Crypto is really starting to be like the stock market. Since they made that move and put it into the stock market, it's going to act like the stock market, okay? And this is going to be a time for a reset. So guys, you do what you want to do. I'm just giving you my opinion, my warning. It's not a warning, but I'm giving you my opinion. And I should have said this a long time ago about this crash was coming, and I didn't. And then I thought about it like earlier this morning. I'm like, should I make this video? Should I make this video? And I went to first break and I started looking at some other things, and I didn't do it. But now that it's already down a little bit, I'm making it, because it's not done. This crash is not done. Bitcoin is going to go below 100,000. XRP is going to stay below $3. It may even push down to, I don't know what it is right now. Well, I can look at it right here. I forgot I had this up. I've been watching Bitcoin Cash though. Where's XRP? XRP is going to, it's already at 280 right now. You're probably going to see XRP go down like to 275, maybe even close to the high 268, somewhere around there. It's just my opinion, okay? In the next couple of days, if Bitcoin starts crashing down even more, you definitely going to see that. You could even see XRP go down to 250. Just my opinion, okay? And some people want the price to go down because they want to buy back in at those low prices. That's how crypto works. But anyway, and also another reason why I wanted to make a crypto video about the crypto market crashing. I got a lot of stuff I'm thinking about. Another reason why I wanted to make it, because just the other day I went into a gas station, and one of the major Bitcoin machines that you see, it was off. Then I went to another gas station, and the Bitcoin machine had a sign on it. And then I went to another gas station, and that Bitcoin machine was gone. And it's like the same brand of Bitcoin machines. Like, I don't know what's happening, but they're taking them out the gas station. So, and that's why I wanted to make a video too, because I knew something was happening, and now Bitcoin is falling down. But I gotta go, guys. I gotta get me something to eat. I'll see y'all guys in them. Leave a comment, subscribe if you're new. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace. Oh man, I can't talk today.